My plant has arrived and it's here and I'm so excited. So what do I do next? Let's find out. First things first, unwrap it. And then admire it. And then name it. And I'm gonna call this one Tinkerbell. Usually when your plant arrives, you don't need to water it because it's been freshly watered at the nursery. But in hotter months, it might be worth a check. And the best way to do that is to literally pop your finger into the soil. This one seems fine, but if you do want to find out more about watering, we've got a whole episode for you to watch. It's also okay to keep it in its current pot, and you can just literally put it into a decorative pot, like so. Like us, plants can find moving a stressful experience. So if you lose any leaves, don't panic, it's just your plant adjusting to its new environment. But if for any reason you are worried, just get in contact with the stem and they'll be happy to help you out. So remember, plants are living things, don't overstress, and you should now have the confidence to look after your brand new plant.